Hello everyone, I'm Azada. Today we're going to make one of the classic and incredibly delicious Iranian sweets, date bread. When the dough starts to come together, set the spoon aside and knead it by hand. If the dough is still soft and sticky, add a little more flour until it's no longer sticky. Once the dough reaches this soft and smooth texture, place it in a bowl, cover it with plastic wrap, and let it rest at room temperature for about an hour. After resting, transfer the dough to your work surface, sprinkle a little flour, and knead it very briefly. If you've enjoyed and found this video helpful so far, don't forget to give it a like. Subscribe to the channel so you won't miss our next delicious tutorials. Use a spatula to divide the dough into 8 portions. Weigh each piece to make sure it's about 40 to 50 grams, so all the breads turn out the same size and uniform. Then cover the pieces with a plastic bag and let them rest for another 20 minutes. Now divide the fragrant date and walnut filling into balls of about 15 to 20 grams, so they fit easily inside the dough. After the dough has rested, flatten each piece with your hands. Place a ball of the date filling in the center, close the dough well, and shape it evenly with your hands. Now, flatten it slightly on the work surface and cut it into petal shapes with a knife. Finally, round the edges of each petal to make the bread look more like real flower petals. Prepare all the date breads the same way and place them one by one on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. For the topping, use a mixture of egg yolk, saffron, and a spoon of milk to give the sweets a golden and beautiful color. Finally, place the tray in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Turn on the top grill during the last 5 minutes to make the tops of the sweets perfectly golden.